Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the channel deletion option in YouTube Studio in just a few simple steps. Click Settings in the left sidebar to open the Settings dialog. The main Settings dialog appears with a sidebar navigation on the left side. Click Channel in the Settings sidebar, then click the Advanced Settings tab at the top of the panel. The Advanced Settings tab loads showing your channel's technical options. The Advanced Settings tab opens showing several channel options including audience, third-party training, and further down you'll find the Remove YouTube Content section where the deletion option lives. The Remove YouTube Content section is always at the very bottom of the Advanced Settings tab, so you'll need to scroll down if you don't see it immediately. If you're looking to delete a brand account channel rather than your personal channel, the process is the same, but you'll need to make sure you're switched to that channel first before opening settings. Deleting a channel is permanent and removes all your videos, comments, playlists, and subscribers, so YouTube will ask you to confirm multiple times before it actually goes through. And that's how to find the channel deletion option in YouTube Studio. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.